Ciao amore.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Yeah, I'm really happy with what we covered on Othello.
And what about Hamlet?
I'm not too sure about Hamlet. I was just hoping for a more modern interpretation. I'm just really not understanding it.
Okay, let me check something for you, okay?
Hi Memo, show me my to-do.
Ma sei bello come sempre. E sei anche in orario, che non è da te.
See, don't worry. I'll make sure he's never late.
I like you. Come in.
Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a super easy, classic Sicilian dish. You guys are going to love it.
Where can I speak from?
Sicily last year.
It's not really good though, but that, you know, he's a grown-up now. So
So cute.
Thank you.
massive, actually.
Oh, look at you.